up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, for watching. Today we are going to attempt to turn a failed wash and go into a bomb twist out. Okay, so I have a confession to make. I've been natural for about 5 or 6 years now, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Who knows though? Like, who really knows what they're doing when you're dealing with natural hair? Wearing your natural hair has been popularized in recent years. You know, it's grown, it's a huge movement. I love curls, I love my natural hair, but I know absolutely nothing. I know nothing about it. I don't know her. I don't know. So this series is going to be me learning my natural hair and bringing you guys along on this journey, on this natural hair journey, if you will. So yes, we're gonna attempt to turn this into a cute bomb ass twist out, because it was supposed to be a wash and go. Does this look like a wash and go to y'all? No, this isn't a wash and go. I don't know what this is, but it's okay. We're gonna get this together. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Might as well, you know. So I'm just going to section my hair into as many sections as I can. I usually do the 2 in the front, 2 in the back. So that's what I'm doing with all of these beautiful split ends and uneven ends. Like, I need to let them ends go. Let them ends go, baby girl. What is you doing? I'm just struggling. Look at, oh my goodness, I'm just struggling. And then after this step, I did film me detangling my hair, but it must have gotten lost in the sauce. But detangle your hair. So you want to break down your hair into as many sections as possible. I have these 2 sections. So I already spritzed them with some water. And now I'm just going to grease my scalp, because in my last video I was having issues with dandruff and flakes and stuff. So I'm going to start greasing my scalp more. Ladies, grease your scalp. You don't want your scalp ashy, okay? Just give your scalp some good old love. I'm going to use some of the sulfur 8 medicated formula anti-dandruff conditioner grease, and then we will start twisting. And I'm gonna do the same thing for every section. Alright, so this is the first twist I'm gonna do, and hopefully this isn't too big. This might be too big. Should I make this into 1 or 2 twists? I think I'm gonna make this 2 twists because I want this to be super defined. So I think I'm gonna make this 2 twists. Let me see how big. Hold on. Trial twist. Let's see how big this is gonna be. Is that too big? Yeah, this is way too big. So I'm gonna turn this into 2 twists. Now first I'm gonna re-damp it with some water. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some of my Camille Rose Moisture Milk and put a little bit in there, not a lot. Just for this twist. And next, I'm gonna take some of the Dew cream, curling cream. I've never used this. It smells like cocoa butter or coconut, or yeah, coconut. It's coconut. Yeah, I've never used this, so let's see how this goes. I'm gonna just use a little bit. And now this part is totally up to you. You can use your Denman brush. Sometimes if I want my curls to be super poppin', I use my Denman brush, brush it out, but I'm just gonna twist it. So yeah, I'm gonna just twist. This is gonna take a long time. The pros and cons of being natural. Like, twisting my whole head is gonna take forever and a day, but it's okay. It's quarantine. All I have is forever and a day. So boom, we have our first twist. So yeah, we have our first twist. Oh, let's clip that back. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one, do the same way. Put some more water. Okay, so we have 2 twists. So now I'm gonna speed through the front part and I'll be back. Okay, so here's the first section. I did about what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 twists. They're all kind of different sizes, but it's cool. We're gonna see how this works. I'm gonna start on my next section. So, how's everyone enjoying their quarantine time? I'm enjoying my quarantine time, let me tell you. Picked up some new hobbies, started cooking. Cooking is actually kind of fun, y'all. Like, I'm a oodles and noodles type of girl, but cooking is kind of fun. Now I'm gonna move on to my next section. Just gonna do this one. I'm gonna make this one into about 2 twists, not 1. That would be too big of a twist, so I'm gonna turn this one into 2. But yeah, just let me know in the comments what you guys have been doing with your quarantine time. I feel like everyone should take advantage of this time to start new hobbies, to capitalize. You know, you don't get to not work, you know, like everyone, you have to work. So just take this time, you know, spend time with your family, your friends as much as you can. We're supposed to be social distancing, so just, you know, just let me know what you guys have been doing in the comments. I've been playing my game, cooking, planning out videos, stuff like that. Okay, so here we have half done. And the tricky part is doing the back. I can't really see what I'm doing in the back. I hope I'm doing small enough sections, but this is how they're coming out. So I got half done, and now I'm gonna move on to this half. Okay, and here's the last result for the twist. So I'm gonna keep these in for about a few days. I don't know when I'm gonna take them out, but I'm gonna keep these in for a few days. I feel like I did the back. I feel like I did the back too big. I hope I didn't, but I hope I didn't do the back too big. I think this side I probably did too big. But we'll see in a few days. Because I feel like I look like I'm supposed to be in kindergarten. So these are the twists. And then we're gonna untwist them in a few days and I'll be back. Let these dry, curl up. Just look at this shrinkage. Like, why can't they just dry like that? Why do they have to shrink and dry?
1 week later.
Okay, so I think my favorite part of this attempt at a twist out is the unraveling. So I'm gonna start unraveling them, but first I put some tea tree oil on my twists because I didn't want them to look dull. I wanted a little bit of a shine on them after, you know, taking them out. Okay, so now I'm starting to separate some of the twists in the back after I unraveled them, but don't separate too much because I'm watching myself now and I separated too much. So if you want this style to last like a week or so, just leave the twists unraveled and don't separate. Like, don't do it because now, like, this style will probably last me like 3 to 4 days, maybe. Okay, so what do you guys think? This is the result. So they are super defined. This is like my first successful twist out. I need to trim really bad. Like, some of these ends need to be let go. I'm feeling it. Am I a natural queen? I might be a natural queen, y'all. What? Okay. I thought the natural life wasn't meant for me, but it might be for me. It might. So this is what she's giving. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the content, please give the video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. You know. And also, I just wanted to say thank you so much for anybody that watched my switch video. It hit 1K. It hit 1K. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Deuce.